0 and PA plus PB in the ascending order. Now, which will be the lowest out of all this? 0. So, write down 0. Raise your hand after 0, what will come?
0.
Raise your hand after 0, which probability will come? Raise your hand. After 0, what next will come? Parik?
P of A intersection B.
Yes. PA intersection B will always be smaller than PA. Because PA intersection B in the Venn diagram it is a part of only PA. So in the ascending order, what next will come? P of A intersection B, then PA. Raise your hand who did not understand this. Why PA intersection B is smaller than PA? All are clear. Then after that, what next will come? Raise your hand. Only 2 are remaining, so which next will come? Renuka?
P of A plus P of B.
P of A plus P of B. Pooja?
P of A union.
P of A union B. Why P of A plus P of B? Why this one? But they are one only when they are exhaustive events. Pooja, why P of A union B will come first?
The same logic that P of A plus P of B will be 1, so it will come in the end.
No. Anyone else? Charuda?
P of A union B will come because P of A plus P of B minus P of A.
Yes. What is A union B's formula? PA plus PB and you also minus A intersection B. So which one will be smaller? A union B or PA plus PB? A union B will be smaller because you subtract A intersection B from PA plus PB. So in the ascending order, A union B will come and then last will be PA plus PB. Did you all understand this? Then question 12 we are done in the homework. Look at question 13. For 2 events A and B in a sample space, A intersection B equals to null set. What does it mean? Mutually exclusive. And A union B equals to sample space. What does it mean? Exhaustive. Then state the values of PA intersection B. Raise your hand. Very simple question. What will be the value of PA intersection B? Anyone else? Khushi. 0. A intersection B is null set. So what will be P of A intersection B? 0. Raise your hand. What will be P of A union B? If A union B is equal to sample space, then what will be probability of A union B? That's
1.
1. Entire sample space, so probability will be equal to 1. 14. For 2 events A and B in a sample space, if 2 events A and B in a sample space are underlined independent. So what does independent events mean? P of A intersection B equals to PA into PB. Then state the formula of PA union B. Now, what is the normal formula of PA union B? PA plus PB minus PA intersection B. Now, because the events are independent, what is PA intersection B equals to? PA into PB. So the formula of A union B will become PA plus PB minus PA into PB. Did everyone understand this? Okay, because events are independent, A intersection B will be equal to PA into PB. And also this. Now 15th is a number line question. If you remember yesterday we did that. Did you all complete with 14 everyone? Now if A equals to X such that 0 less than x less than 1. Can we write it in any other manner? No. B equals to x such that 1/4 less than equal to x less than equal to 3. Should we write the number line? Yes. Which are the 4 values in the ascending order? 0, 1/4, 1 and 3. Now what is A here? 0 to 1. What is B here? 1/4 to 3. Now we can answer the questions. Did everyone write up till here? What is asked in the question is A intersection B. Who are still writing up till here? Now, if you see the number line, can you tell me A intersection B will be from which number to which number? 1/4 to 1. This is A intersection B. Means first we'll write x such that 1/4 less than x less than 1. Now we have to decide, should we include the sign of equal to or not? Who are still writing up till here and who is not clear with this? Now regarding equal to, when is anything included in intersection? When it is there in A as well as B both common. Let us see 1/4. Is 1/4 there in A? Yes, 1/4 comes between 0 and 1. Is 1/4 there in B? Equal to is there means it is there. 1/4 is there in A as well as in B. Will it be included in intersection? So equal to sign will come. Now regarding 1. Is 1 there in A? Equal to sign is not there, so it is not there in A. So it will not come in the intersection B. It should be there in both. Did everyone understand this? Now question 16. No talk in between. Many questions will be done because all are small questions. And you need to concentrate, they all are full of variety. Every question is different from each other. For 2 independent events, A and B, PA equals to 0.5. Then PB equals to 0.7. We will find A0 intersection B0, unlike independent events. First of all, what do you mean by independent events? A intersection B is PA into PB. Same way, what will be A0 intersection B0? PA0 into PB0. So first we need to find PA0 and PB0. PA0 will be 1 minus PA, 1 minus 0.5, 0.5. PB0 will be 1 minus PB, 1 minus 0.7, 0.3. So PA0 intersection B0 will be equal to 1 minus, PA0 into PB0, that is 0.5 into 0.3, 0.15. Did you understand this portion, everyone? What one more way of doing it is there? Parit?
1 minus P of A intersection B.
No. That is A intersection B whole knot. Saloni?
A union B not.
Yes, 1 minus A union B. Be attentive. A not intersection B not, I made you write in the notes. It is also equal to A union B whole knot. So for that you will find first A union B. How do you find A union B? PA plus PB and events are independent. So minus PA into PB. Once you get A union B, then you do A union B whole knot, you get the same answer. But it is a long way of going about it. So you have done this way. You get the same answer. And when will you have to do it in this manner only? You cannot do it this way. One more way of doing it is there, I told you. A naught intersection B naught is equal to A union B. Whole naught. So first you will find that is PA plus PB minus A intersection B, which will be 0.5 to 0.7. And then how will you find this A union B whole naught? 1 minus A union B. I am asking you, when will you have to do this way only? You cannot do it this way. When events are not independent. Here they are independent, so we did A naught into B naught. If they are not independent, then there is no other option but to do only in this manner. Okay? That will also come in the chapter. I'll see how many of you remember. Look at 17th question. If PA equals to 0.8 and A intersection B equals to 0.25, then find PA minus B. Direct formula. Raise your hand. If you remember the formula, you'll be able to solve. A minus B. Anant? Sorry, not Anant. Neil.
PA minus PA intersection.
Yes, directly PA minus P intersection B. Let on PA minus B equals to, in the beginning of the chapter itself, I gave you all these formulas. PA minus PA intersection B, 0.8 minus 0.25, 0.55. Got it, everyone? Then 18th. Raise your hand, we're still writing up till 17. All are completed? So 18 write down PA is equal to 0.3. PA intersection B is equal to 0.03. Now B slash A, again direct formula. Raise your hand, what is the formula of B slash A? Janvi?
PA intersection B upon PA.
PA intersection B upon PA. So 0.03 upon 0.3. Is it 0.1?
Yes.
All are clear with this? Who are writing up till 18 still? Look at 19. If PA is equal to PB is equal to K for two mutually exclusive events, and like mutually exclusive events, what does it mean? A intersection B is null set. For events A and B, then find A union B. Raise your hand, what formula you will apply if the events are mutually exclusive? What about others? Everyone has attended it. Sarvesh? Simply PA plus PB. Krishna, what next? Yes, K plus K, 2K, that is your answer, that's it. Did you understand this, everyone? But directly in exam still you will not be able to do. They look simple, but they are not so. 20. If PA naught intersection B, if PA naught intersection B is equal to 0.45 and A intersection B equals to null set means mutually exclusive, then find PB. Now raise your hand. What is the formula of A naught intersection B? Pooja?
PB minus P intersection.
Yes, PB, this we did yesterday also, minus PA intersection B. A naught intersection B and A intersection B naught? PA minus PA intersection B. A not intersection B, PB minus PA intersection B. Now, what will be PA intersection B? 0. Okay, what will be PA intersection B if A intersection B is null set? 0. Means, can I write PB minus 0 is 0.45? So, what is PB? 0.45. That is what is asked. Did you understand this, everyone? Completed? Who are still writing? Okay, now look at the next one. Two events A and B in a sample space are unlike mutually exclusive and exhaustive. Raise your hand. Where did we see this condition of mutually exclusive and exhaustive? In which special case did we see that? Shivan?
Law of addition, third case.
Yes. Law of addition, third case. What was that?
PA union B equal to PA plus PB equal to 1.
Yes, law of addition, third case we have seen PA union B for mutually exclusive and exhaustive events. PA union B equals to PA plus PB is equal to 1. And at that time itself I told you, whenever in the chapter you come across mutually exclusive and exhaustive, you'll use this to find the missing figure. Now here, PA is given 1 by 3. So can we find the missing figure of PB or not? Because PA plus PB will be equal to 1. So write down, for mutually exclusive and exhaustive events, PA union B equals to PA plus PB equals to 1. Okay, this we have already seen the formula. Now what is PA given? 1 by 3 plus PB equal to 1. So, Jite, what next?
So 1 minus 1 by 3.
Yes, 1 by 3 on the right side will become minus. 3 into 1, 3. Minus 1 by 3, 2 by 3. So, PB will be 2 by 3. Did you understand this? 2% items is a common sense question even if you don't use probability. 2% items in a lot are defective. 2% are defective means what will be the probability in percentage if it is given? 2 upon 100, 0.02. What is the probability that an item randomly selected from the lot is not defective? It's a common sense question. If 2% are defective, then non-defective 98%, 0.98, complement. Okay, but we have to solve it using probability. So, let event A be the event that the item is defective. Now, PA is given as 2% means 2 by 100, 0.02. Okay. Now below that, write down the probability that the item is non-defective is equal to PA naught 1 minus PA 1 minus 0.02 0.98. Did you understand this? Anyone who is not clear up till here? Now 23rd, state the number of sample points in the random experiment of tossing 5 balanced coins. I already gave you the shortcut in the beginning. 1 coin, then how will you find the number of outcomes? 2 raised to the power 1. 2 coins, 2 raised to 2. 5 coins, 2 raised to 5. Not 5 raised to 2, okay. 2 raised to 5. So directly write down n is equal to 2 raised to 532. These are the number of sample points. Did everyone understand this? Same way, next one. State the number of sample points in the random experiment of tossing and then one balanced point. Double underline and. Two balanced dice and then two balanced dice. Now, do you read it? One coin and two dice. One coin, can I say 2 raised to 1? What will be the outcomes with one coin 2 raised to 1? And means multiplication. And what will be the outcomes with two dice? 6 raised to 2. So 2 into 36. 72 outcomes will be there if you throw one coin and two dice. See here. Two dice. What are the outcomes? Which? 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3 up till 6, 6. So these outcomes are going to be there. Now along with that, if you also toss a coin, then on the coin you can get heads. So along with heads in the dice you can get 1, 1. Means that 36 outcomes you can have H11, H12 up till H66. And again you can have that 36 with T11, T12 up till T66. 36 and 36, 72. So if you throw a coin also along with two dice, then you'll have 72 outcomes. Did you understand this question, everyone? Show this. All are clear with the 24th question? Now raise your hand. Is it possible that PA is 0.7 and A union B is 0.45 for two events A and B in a sample space? With reason, raise your hand. Correct. Tell me A union B and PA, which value is always more? A union B will always be more. Now first of all, to conclude that, make the decimal places equal. To make the decimal places equal. To make the decimal places equal. In question 25, to make the decimal places equal, make it 0.7 as 0.70. Now tell me, which one is more? A is more or A union B is more? A is more, which is not possible. A union B should be more than A, so it is not possible. Write down. The given information is not possible because PA union B should be more than PA. Did you all understand this portion, everyone? Silence now, everyone. Question 26. Two cards are selected, unlined one by one, unlined with replacement. Where did we see this condition? Independent events. Law of multiplication we have seen one by one, and with replacement means independent events. From 52 cards, state the number of elements in the sample space of this random experiment. First of all, first card when you select, you can have 52 outcomes. Then you keep it back. And again when you select the second card, you'll have 52 outcomes. So do it 52 into 52. 2704 outcomes will be there. Raise your hand. If it was given without replacement, then how would you find n? Raise your hand. Then how would you find this same n? Here it's given with replacement. Disha? 52 into 51. Then second selection you will not do from 52 cards because you don't keep it back. So second selection you will do from 51 cards. So if it was without replacement, then the same would be 52 into 51. Clear with this? Then question 27. For two independent, unlike independent events. So independent events means PA intersection B equals to PA into PB. Now PB slash A is equal to 1 by 2 and P A intersection B is equal to 1 by 5. What we are asked is to find PA. First of all, let's tell the formula of B slash A. What is the formula of B slash A?
P of A intersection
P of A intersection B upon P of A. So can we obtain PA from this? What is B slash A? 1 by 2. What is A intersection B? 1 by 5 upon PA. Rushil, what next? 1 by 2 into 1 by 5. Hit.
So 1 by 2 into 1 by 5.
Meet. Silence. Silence. He is correct. If you bring silence, everyone. If you bring 2 on the other side, it will get multiplied, and PA on the left side will come in the numerator. But you take it this way: PA on the left side and 1 by 2 on the right side will get divided. 1 by 2 on the right side will get divided. Now divide by 1 by 2 means what? Into 2 by 1 means 2 by 5. But what is asked in the question? Okay, P only. Then 28. What if PB was also asked? If PB was also asked, then independent events is mentioned. PA intersection B equals to PA into PB, then you will get PB. Now look at 28 question. 1998 tickets out of 2000 tickets do not have price. 1998 tickets do not have price. So how many will have price? 2 tickets are with price. Total 2000 tickets. If a person selects and then selects 1 ticket from 2000 tickets, so what will be N? 2000 C1, that is 2000 itself. What is the probability that the ticket selected is eligible for price? Mark it as event A. So let event A be the event that ticket selected is eligible for price. Now how would you find M of A? There are only 2 tickets with price, 1 to be selected. So how would you find M of A? 2C1, that is 2. And what is P of A that you get the price? M of A upon N, 2 by 2000, 1 by 1000. Did everyone understand this? Now section C, question 1 to 10, mark it as your homework. And again, if you have any doubts, then we'll discuss that in the class. Look at question 1 TO10. TO2. 1 to 10. Okay, not 1, 2 and 10 only. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now look at 11th question we attended. Very simple question I am asking you, so be attentive. State the following results for 2 unlike independent events A and B. One check P A intersection B. Independent events, how do you find P A intersection B? Vrunda asked one check only. right, so now PA into PB. Same way, Vrunda. PA not intersection B not, how will you find for independent events? Gina? PA not into PB not. Keep standing, keep standing. Vrunda, once again, first one, PA intersection B, how will you find? Into multiplication. PA into PB. PA not intersection B not, how will you find? Intersection means multiplication, that's it. So how will you find PA not intersection B not? PA not into PB not. Now tell me the third one. How will you find PA intersection B not for independent events? PA into PB not. And same way, how will you find A not intersection B? PA not into PB. Did you understand this? Because independent is mentioned. So write down these four. PA intersection B equals to PA into PB. Then PA naught intersection B naught is equal to PA naught into PB naught. Then PA intersection B naught is equal to PA into PB naught, and PA naught intersection B is equal to PA naught into PB. Are you all clear with it? Then 12th question. If PA equals to 1 by 3, PB equals to 2 by 3, PA intersection B equals to 1 by 6, then raise your hand. How will you find A naught intersection B naught? Raise your hand. How will you find A naught intersection B naught? Parik?
A union B naught.
Any other way of doing it? Raise your hand. Shiva?
Sir, we will convert PA and PB in PA naught and PB naught,
Then?
and then PA naught into PB naught.
This is what you cannot do. If you remember, today itself in the beginning I discussed. When can you do PA naught intersection B naught as PA naught into PB naught? Only when they are independent. Here is it mentioned they are independent, and that's why I discussed the other way also. I discussed what is the other way of finding A naught intersection B naught, A union B whole naught. So first we will find P of A union B. Did you understand this? Why we cannot do A naught intersection B naught? Because it is not mentioned that events are independent. By the way, if not mentioned, then also they can be independent. Yes or no? Here not, because if they are independent, then what is PA intersection B equals to? If they are independent, listen carefully. If events A and B are independent, then what is PA intersection B equals to? PA into PB cross check. What will be 1 by 3 into 2 by 3? 2 by 9. 1 by 3 into 2 by 3 will be? Is A intersection B 2 by 9? So they are not independent. If they were independent events, then A intersection B would be equal to 2 by 9, P into PB. Then you can do that formula. A naught intersection B naught. If value of A intersection B was given 2 by 9, then you can apply that formula. But here A intersection B does not come equal to PA into PB, means they are not independent. So we'll have to use the other formula, A union B whole naught. Understood this, everyone? First let us find A union B. PA plus PB minus PA intersection B. 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 minus 1 by 6. LCM is 6. 6 divided by 3, 2. Into 1, 2. 6 divided by 3, 2 into 2, 4 and 1. So 5 by 6. Now, how will we find A naught intersection B naught? A union B whole naught. 1 minus P of A union B. So 1 minus 5 by 6. 6 minus 5 by 6, 1 by 6. Did everyone understand this question? Now look at 13th. Anyone still solving the 12th? If PB equals to 2 PA slash B, equals to 0.4, then find PA intersection B. Raise your hand when you do this. Valerie?
PA slash B equals to PA intersection B upon P.
Yes, you have to apply the formula of A slash B and we'll get PA intersection B. But what is A slash B and what is PB?
0.4 and 2.
0.2. Be attentive. PB is directly equal to 0.4 and 2PA slash B is equal to 0.4. If you bring 2 on the other side, what will be P of A slash B? 0.4 upon 2. That is 0.2. Now applying the formula of A slash B, we can get A intersection B. Is everyone clear with this? So PA slash B will be equal to PA intersection B upon PB. What is A slash B we obtained? 0.2. A intersection B we have to find. What is PB we obtained? 0.4. So PA intersection B will be 0.2 into 0.4, 0.08. Did you understand this? Now 14 also is similar, so I'll ask you to be attentive. If events A and B are underlying independent, now write down the information. 3PA equals to 2PB equals to 0.12. Now just now we have done in the previous question, so Mewari, how will you find PA?
So 0.12 divided by 3.
Correct. And Mithul, how will you find PB?
0.12 divided by 2.
Correct. All of you write down. First 3PA we will equal with 0.12. So PA will be 0.12 divided by 3, that is 0.04. Then this 2 we will equate 2PB is equal to 0.12. So PB will be equal to 0.12 divided by 2, 0.06. What happened? Now, did you underline independent? So how will you find A intersection B? PA into PB. PA intersection B will be equal to PA into PB. Maintain silence. What is going on? So PA 0.04 into PB 0.06, 0.0024. Did you understand this? 15 mark it important. You see here now, if 5PA is equal to 3PB is equal to 2PA union B is equal to 3 by 2. Before I read anything further, just now we did it, so Vrund, what will be PA equal to? Stand up. Yes? Dhruv, what will be PA equal to?
PA is equal to 3 by 2 divided by 5.
Yes. Means, first we'll equate these two. 5PA equals to 3 by 2. 5 on the other side will get multiplied with 2. So what is PA 3 by 10? Dhruv, sit down. Dhruv, did you understand? So tell me what will PB be equal to? Yes? This much only you said. Further what? You keep standing. Yuvraj. How will you find PB now? Silence everyone. 3 by 2 into 3. Only 2 will be multiplied with 3 or 3 by 2 whole will be multiplied. Yes. 3 PB, sit down Yuvraj. 3 PB again we will equate with 3 by 2. So if you bring 3 on the right side, PB will be 3 upon 2 into 3. That is 1 by 2. What will be A union B? A union B is equal to 3 upon 2. Now this 2 are equated then. Silence everyone. What will be multiplied with 2? PA union B equals to 3 upon 2 into 2, that is 3 upon 4. Sit down. Is everyone clear up till here? PA is obtained, PB is obtained, A union B is obtained. Now what is asked? A naught union B naught. Raise your hand, how will you find that? A naught union B naught. Or someone else should be able to answer. Only 3 or 4 people are not doing probability. How will you find A naught union B naught? If you remember all the notes properly, you must be able to answer this. Good job.
P of A intersection B the whole.
And how will you find A intersection B?
With the formula of PA union.
Correct. A naught union B naught will be A intersection B whole naught. That I made you write in the formulas. So to get A naught union B naught, first we need A intersection B. And how will we get A intersection B? Applying the formula of A union B. So first set down the formula of A union B. TA plus PB minus PA intersection B. A union B is given as 3 by 4. A we obtained 3 by 10. B we obtained 1 by 2 minus PA intersection B. So applying A union B's formula, can we find A intersection B? minus A intersection B on the left side will become plus, and 3 by 4 on the right side will become minus. Now 10 and 2 and 4. What is the LCM? 20. Okay, 20 will be the LCM. 20 divided by 10, 2 into 3, 6. 20 divided by 2, 10 into 1, 10. 20 divided by 4, 5 into 3, 15. So 1 by 20. Did all of you understand this? Very small next one is, so that will take up today one more only. 16. PA intersection B, be attentive. Silence everyone. A intersection B not is remaining. Sorry. In 15th question, PA naught union B naught will be equal to P A intersection B whole naught 1 minus TA intersection B 1 minus 1 by 20 20 minus 1 by 20 19 by 20. Now 16th question, last for today, look at it. TA intersection B equals to 0.12. PB equals to 0.3. Now, for unlike independent events, now this is like PA union B. What is the formula of A union B? PA plus PB minus A intersection. What is missing in this formula? PA. How will you find PA? Independent events is given. So applying A intersection B, PA into PB, we can find PA. First we'll find PA. PA intersection B equals to PA into PB. So 0.12. It is given PA intersection B. That is equal to PA into PB 0.3. 0.3 on the left side will get divided. So PA will be equal to 4. Sorry, 0.4. Are you all clear with this? Now can we find A union B or not? So PA union B equals to PA plus PB minus PA intersection B. PA 0.4 plus PB 0.3 minus A intersection B 0.1 to 0.58. Is everyone clear with this?